When's your birthday?
On May 15th, Mama.
What's your address?
On May 6th, I Street. I still go to Washington.
Good job. Do you know how to count in Spanish?
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. There's so many balloons here. Wow, one purple balloon to count. Wow, a blue balloon too.
What's your favorite color?
Blue, Mom.
What's Mommy's other name?
Mom.
What's Mom's other name?
Tiana.
What's Daddy's other name?
Your daddy.
Bless you. What's Daddy's other name?
I'm Dad. Here's Nick.
Mm-hmm.
What's my color? What's your color, Mama?
My favorite color's blue also.
No. My color